doing it.
They're running backwards.
There's Harrison. Well, doing God knows what. There's Jonah. Paul's in that building right there. And there's Clay Dennis downstairs. Hello, Clay. There's Clay Dennis. His terrorist turban on. Dang, who's shooting? Oh, that's probably Campbell with that lipo and the M16. I'm gonna go down and get some action. Okay. There's Paul Trapani.
Remember, they got a medic. That medic could stand right next to a guy and touch him, which makes him invincible. I've been in that situation. We had 30 guys coming on us. And it was scary.
I believe you. Where's everybody else, Paul?
I have no idea.
No mercy. Yeah, I know Kevin. Oh, look, there's Clay. There's Clay and Jonah going around the backside. See him with the white shirt on. They're going around the backside.